So for my third technology, I decided to do Docs Teach. This is something that I use for different primary source documents because I teach social studies, so I get a lot of stuff from here. This is mainly for social studies. You could use it for some reading or English, but I like to use it for my classes. So it'll break it down by era. So let's go with Great Depression and World War II. All right, so when I go through, these are all documents that I can print and use for my kids. So there's seriously thousands of things on here, and primary sources are important because it tells the real story. And our focus this year has been on SAT prep. So it's super important that we're exposing them to this critical thinking, using documents to answer questions, basically all of the skills that go into teaching how people can take the test, basically. At the school I'm at, our SAT scores have been very sad the past few years, so our aim is to change that. We are really focusing on the primary sources, hitting it really hard. So if we just click on a random one right here, it'll blow it up for me. I can print this right off the screen. I can email it. I can download it. So this is about 100 calorie portions. Okay, and then it'll give you where they got it from. Here's the full citation. And then there's activities as well. So if I click on that, click on, let's see, we'll get some more fun. Let's go contemporary United States. So here's letters that Ford wrote about pardoning Nixon. So it's really like a first-hand account of things that are happening, and I think that my students really love and appreciate that because it's interesting. I mean, it's less boring than just putting a textbook in front of them and saying, okay, read it. So it'll give me some activities that I can do. I can kind of click through those. It'll open up different activities, step-by-step things. Students can read these online even if you just give them a link. Okay, so here's some questions that students are able to use. So I really like this website. As I've said before, everything comes from the National Archives Foundation, which is awesome. So it's a credible source. It's super interesting for students to go through and read these, and absolutely love using it.